Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're here to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge XE9680. In this video, we're going to go over power supplies. Let's get going. Hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge XE9680. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like, smash that subscribe. All right, let's hop in. So this video is going to be dedicated to power supplies. And so what we're going to do in this video as a whole, we're going to start off by just some really good, just general information, stuff like, the idle power consumption, the max power consumption, stuff like that. Then we're going to go into the different wattages of the power supplies, and then we're going to show you how to physically install them, which is super easy because they're hot swap. But let's just hop into all the good stuff. All right, so let's start with the idle power consumption. So it's going to be 2.2 kilowatts, which is 2200 watts. That's just when it's just literally just sitting there with, plugged in. That's what it's going to run. Now the max is 12.5. Now the problem with that is that's kind of a I don't want to say a fantasy scenario. That's a scenario when everything is working in a way that isn't really real. You're probably going to run this at maybe 9, maybe 10. That'll be real. But theoretically, 12.5 is the max that if everything was working in perfect ideal conditions, which let's be honest isn't going to be the case, that would be what you could theoretically get at. It's going to probably run though closer to 9 to 10. And honestly, I would love people to drop comments down below. Power is so important when it comes to GPU servers that I'm sure there's some power expert watching this right now being like, why didn't you say this? Why didn't you hey, go ahead, leave a synopsis down below. Let everyone know this is meant to be a forum and a page for people who use this machine and other GPU AI servers to be able to work together and get information out to the masses. So hey, drop a comment down below. All right, so what wattage power supplies are inside the PowerEdge XE9680? Well, there's 3 types that are compatible. You have 2800 watt titanium, 3000 watt titanium, or you can get up to 3200 watt titanium. 2800 watt is what we have here, and it's actually pretty heavy, and this is pretty standard, and this is going to be a 3+3 system as far as redundancy. All right, so now what we're going to do is show you how to install one of the power supplies, which is again super easy because it is a hot swap power supply. But before we do, I'm going to grab my ESD gear and I'll be right back.
Hey, this is Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I'll be showing you guys how to install your power supplies for your Dell PowerEdge XE9680 server. Now, as you can see, we have our power supplies here, and you'll want to pay attention to this orange tab that's located here. And that will tell you when the power supply is fully installed, when it clicks into place, and it will help you uninstall the power supply from the server as well. So just go ahead and take your power supply and slot into the opening here like so. One more time, we'll go ahead and show you that the orange tab clicks into place and it is secure. So when you uninstall the power supply, you'll simply just press the orange tab in and then pull it out. And that's how you uninstall the power supply. So there you go. That's how you install and uninstall your power supplies into your Dell PowerEdge XE9680 server. Hey, do us a favor, click that like button and smash subscribe. If you're looking for any custom built Dell, HPE, Supermicro, Gigabyte, Asus, maybe you're looking for a GPU server, we do it all. We have both new and refurbished. So please give us a call or email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by.